Faucet-mounted water filters offer a practical, inexpensive way to improve taste and reduce contaminants in everyday tap water without installing under-sink or whole-home systems. They are popular for their quick installs, compact form factors, and the ability to swap filters every few months. In this article, I test 5 widely available faucet filters within a narrow price band, $29.99 to $33.88, and compare filtration performance, usability, and long-term value. Product number 1. PUR Plus Vertical Faucet Mount Water Filtration System. This PUR model emphasizes lead reduction and NSF-certified filtration with a 3-in-1 filtration approach, delivering up to 100 gallons or 3 months of use. It features a change filter indicator and is designed for vertical faucet mounting on standard sinks with external aerators. At $29.99, it positions itself as a budget-friendly lead reduction option with solid certification credentials from WQA and NSF for microplastics and chlorine-related contaminants. Prospective buyers should note its tool-free, quick-install design and a compact footprint that fits most standard faucets. Performance-wise, this unit provides reliable lead reduction and broad contaminant coverage per NSF/NSF 53/ANSI standards, with the advantage of a visible indicator that reminds users when to replace the cartridge. Product number 2. Brita Faucet Mount Water Filter System. Brita's chrome faucet mount emphasizes instant filtration with no-wait water and a broad potential use cases, from drinking to cooking and even plant watering. Priced at $30.28, it highlights practical versatility and a universal faucet fit, with a status indicator for filter changes. This model targets households seeking immediate, convenient filtered water with minimal waiting time and a compact footprint that blends with chrome faucets or metal finishes. In use, the Brita system claims to reduce lead, chlorine, asbestos, and particulates with a simple one-click replacement. The 4-month filter life is attractive for users who want fewer replacements and straightforward maintenance. Product number 3. Sink Filter. Naturally remove chemicals from water. Improves taste. Naturefies positions this model as a natural, triple-layer filtration system that uses activated carbon, ceramic, and PP cotton to reduce chemicals and improve taste. At $32.99, it sits between budget and premium options, offering a transparent housing to monitor cartridge life and a replaceable cartridge approach. The design is modern with a white body and chrome accents, aiming for blend with contemporary kitchens. Performance-wise, the combination of carbon, ceramic, and PP cotton provides a multi-stage filtration approach that can tackle chlorine taste and odor, plus additional particulates. The clear housing helps users visually gauge filter status, which is a user-friendly touch. While there is no explicit NSF 4-way QA certification listed in the provided details, product number 4, Brita Faucet Mount Water Filter System. This white Brita model no-wait filtration is a sibling to the chrome Brita option, priced at $33.88, and emphasizes quick access to filtered water with a no-wait claim. It targets households that value a lightweight, space-efficient unit with a straightforward installation and a status indicator for filter changes. The white finish offers a clean, unobtrusive aesthetic that can suit bright kitchen decor. Use case analysis indicates strong suitability for renters or users in small spaces where under-sink or pitcher systems are impractical. The unit claims to reduce lead, chlorine, asbestos, particulates, and benzene with a 100-gallon replacement cycle, approximately every 4 months. The design does not fit pull-out or spray faucets, so compatibility should be verified before purchase. Product number 5. PUR Plus Horizontal Faucet Mount Filtration System with 3-in-1 lead-reducing filter. The PUR Plus horizontal model offers a horizontal mounting profile with the same 3-in-1 filtration and lead reduction capabilities that PUR emphasizes across its line. Priced at $32.99, It presents as a slightly more premium variant within PUR's portfolio, with compatibility for sinks that have external aerators and a built-in filter change indicator. The horizontal orientation can provide easier access in some kitchen configurations and may be preferable for users with certain spout clearance constraints. In terms of performance, PUR's filtration is supported by WQA and NSF certifications for lead reduction and microplastics, making it a strong choice for households prioritizing strong contaminant coverage.